Hello! The WordPress Complete Guide for Experts is a series of courses about the WordPress technology. The main subject of this course is security, and in this module I give it to you greatest tips to improve and increase the security of your environment. With the increasing number of vulnerabilities and attempts of attacks by hackers, it's very important to protect your WordPress sites. With this course, you will avoid almost any kind of problem related to security and hacker attacks. You will implement the security from the installation through the WordPress server. And of course, you will improve your security skills like a professional. This course is destined for the intermediate users and developers of WordPress who needs to deal with the security problems constantly. I am Rodrigo Donini and I'll be your instructor. I have been working with WordPress for almost 10 years, with a huge involvement with the community and speaking at many conferences around the world. My intention is to create a continuous process of learning and adding new topics frequently and help you to acquire more knowledge about the WordPress. See you on the first lesson of this course.